Hi, Brianna Rose Sekulich, Managing Partner with DXC Technology. I work with clients across our aerospace, defense, and manufacturing portfolio. I'm in Liverpool at the Smart Factory Expo for Digital Manufacturing Week. As you can see, I'm surrounded by the latest and greatest technology that is really disrupting the manufacturing industry. We've been having lots of great conversations with our clients on how to bring their smart factory to life, whether they're at the early stages of their journey or if they're more further along, how to accelerate. DXC and our partners, like Dell and Microsoft, have a wide depth of experience, whether it's strategy or tactical implementation. We work across the enterprise to help bring your smart factory vision to life. Feel free to reach out to us with any of your Industry 4.0 needs.